Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just think up. Today we're going to be talking about the U.S. markets and some other things happening in the markets right now. So here we go. All right, before we get started, hang on here. Yay. Okay, we're working. Cool. Okay, before I get started, you can always get some free trading books and stuff over at quantlabs.net. Also, if you're interested in our news Telegram, just click on there, as well as if you want to get onto my private chat server, find out what I'm working on in greater detail, just go over to quantlabs.net/DVD. Plus, you get some Bodawave and Python coding samples. All right, let's get going. So here we are, working away. You can see here we have some problems going on in the markets right now. Let me just pull up the Yahoo report. So here's the big headline in red. Another 770,000 Americans filed new unemployment claims. They were, so it's killing off part of the market, except for the Dow. Crude's down, gold is down, bonds are up huge. So it's a huge concern with this Treasury. We'll look at that in a little bit. All the currencies is normal. Bitcoin is down. The CMC is seriously down. I'll talk about that later in another video. Only Asia was up last night with the Nikkei. All right, so that's what's going on there. What's going on with the scans here on harmonic scans on Bodawave. What was reversing has got longs now. Australia, Canadian. I didn't mention that. Okay, so we have some gold here in Swiss long. Same with the Japanese yen. You can see this has been choppy but trending up. We have a silver and Swiss franc as well, long there. Same with Europe, but it looks like well, they're both flat. British pound long, same with silver for Hong Kong and Japanese yen. So that's what's going on there. So lots silver, Singapore, Australia, Canada, long second one. Euro, Japanese yen. Okay, so here's our first call for the NASDAQ 1000. As you can see here, it is trending up, getting hit there. This is a 4-hour chart, just so you know. But the long is not very high enough. We have a short here on US 30 as well. These are the top 30 countries. I think it was a short. Yeah, it's a short there. Here we have a long, oddly, I haven't seen this in a while, British pound US dollar. Two longs there. Pound New Zealand short. Pound in the Swiss franc short. And here's our safe haven, USD in Norway. It has a long. So that may actually start to happen. Once you start to see this move up, then we know we have some problems for the US. Golden, again, another one. Golden Japanese yen. Okay, still, the good thing is our gold silver ratio still got a short. So this has been cropping up with a really good rating and very good. Once it starts to long, that's when you know you have problems. And here we have silver in Canada, silver in Hong Kong short. Another silver in New Zealand, sorry. So we don't have very many very goods. And the other thing is the selection. When it gets really bad, the selection is not very much compared to the US market showing longs. So here, the Australian market's all but short. I get 3 calls here. Australia, New Zealand is interesting with the long there. That could be an interesting one to watch for potential investment there. Euro, Swiss franc shorting, euro and Czech short. One more, euro and Sweden is a short. So I would expect that to be long, but whatever. Now let's take a look at the US Treasury. It's still declining. Okay, so this is why the US markets are tanking because of the debt. There's now the piper's got to get paid, and you're starting to see the first pull up whatever other bond durations that we can look at here. Okay. We have 10 and 30 years. So I believe which one's let's see how that's doing. Okay, yeah, see how serious it is, and these problems started since August of last year. So these are why you start these markets starting to tank. So the 5-year, 10-year, let's look at the short-term one for the US bond. So the US is not looking good at all. This is going to be a real problem. It's still holding its own. It's a daily chart, but you see that big bar move there down. So this is where the problems lie, and this is why we're starting to see more red. The headline does not help as well. I think the notion to put reliance on this vaccine not work out as more problems start to show up with side effects. I think. Oh, China. Another interesting one that we should be watching here is it's gone through its decline, and it's gone kind of this bouncing around, trying to pick up. Copper is another one to watch. You can see it. It's had a how China and copper as a leading indicator to manufacturing are related. That's why I like to see the Australian US dollar as well, because that's where a lot of Australian minerals come from for China. Plus you get the decline there. So that trade's not working out as you'd want either. So that's how it stands. I don't know, but I think we are fundamentally going down. That's for sure. We'll leave it at that. No questions or comments. Just just as a reminder, if you are into this, come on over to quantlabs.net, fill out this form, get some free trading secret PDFs if you want. Sign up to the Telegram channel for our stuff as well. You can also get access to a private chat server as well. No tracking with some training on MotiveWave and crypto trading bots in Python. All right, thanks for watching.